Hi and welcome to Greenmoxie. Today we're going to take a look at campfire desserts now. Dessert is often something that people gloss over when they're out in the woods, when they're camping or hiking. Don't! Life's too short not to eat dessert, and today we've got a really good one for you. We're making bourbon peach upside down cake. It is delicious. And while it does use some fresh ingredients like milk and butter, if you're in the backwoods, you can substitute vegetable shortening and powdered milk and get a very similar result. So let's get to it. I'm just greasing the pan here. I'm using butter, but you can use vegetable shortening or oil. I'm gonna use canned peaches just because, you know, we're out in the woods and it's easier, but you can use fresh peaches too. I find they bruise easily in my backpack, so I do tend to favor the canned peaches. We've greased our pot with a little butter. About a quarter cup should do. And over this I'm going to sprinkle half a cup of brown sugar. And over the top of that are sliced peaches. So, brown sugar, peaches, and what else do we need? Bourbon, that's right. Now, I'm gonna pour over this 2 tablespoons of bourbon. That's not strictly necessary and is definitely optional, but I would say it's also highly recommended. In a large bowl, we're going to put half a cup of butter. Again, if you want to use vegetable shortening on a longer trip, that'll work just fine. We're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar to our butter. Okay, and now cream the two together. Once your butter and cream are mixed nicely together, add 1 large egg. To this mixture, we're going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. You're going to add 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. What I usually do with the dry ingredients is just mix them at home before I leave on my camping trip, and I put them in a Ziploc bag so that they lie nice and flat and don't take up a lot of space. So you're going to add your dry ingredients alternatively with 1/2 cup